Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set a status message in the Zoom app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your main screen, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the app. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile settings and various account options. After tapping your profile icon, you'll see several menu options appear. Look for the option labeled Status and tap on it. This feature allows you to let your contacts and team members know what you're up to without having to send individual messages to everyone. It's particularly useful for remote teams who need to stay informed about each other's availability throughout the day. Now, once you're on the status screen, you'll notice you have two different ways to set your status message. You can either enter a custom message of your own or select from preset options that Zoom provides. The preset options include common statuses like in a meeting, commuting, vacation, working remotely, and out sick. These presets are convenient if you're in a hurry and just need to quickly update your status with a standard message. For this example, we'll create a custom status message. At the top of the screen, you'll see a text field. Tap on this field to bring up your keyboard. From here, you can type whatever status message you want to display to your contacts. This could be anything that accurately reflects your current situation or availability. Take your time to craft a message that clearly communicates your status to anyone who might be checking. Once you've finished typing your status message and you're happy with how it looks, navigate to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a Save button there. Tap on it to confirm and apply your new status message. The app will save your changes immediately, and your status will now be visible to your Zoom contacts. And that's it. You've successfully set a custom status message in your Zoom app, making it easier for your colleagues and contacts to know your current availability. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.